So those who try this problem, that is well and good. If not, or you stuck up at any point, or otherwise you did 50% or 25%, let me discuss this one. This is given in online JEE 2000 second question. Already first question we have seen. Now what is saying? Two balls of same mass, two balls are there which are of same mass, are carrying equal charges, now are hung from a fixed support. Now let me take like this. So this is the fixed supports and they are hung from same points. I separated by certain distance because they are of same mass carrying equal charges. Note this points. Equal charges means same charges, same positive charges, they will get repelled. One positive, one negative means they will attract. So I am taking this is positive charge, AB positive charge है, दोनों positive charge ले लिए, so they will repel or negative charge कौन सा भी ले सकते हैं. One positive, one negative we cannot take because they will attract. Right? Equal charges are hung from the fixed support of length L. So length is also same. He is saying that length of it is same. This is nothing but length is same. At the electrostatic equilibrium, angles are small. Electrostatic, that means they are at this position only. They are not coming nearer or going away. They went first. There are two balls like this. They are attached like this. So whenever a positive charges are given, then they are repelled like this and they stable here. They are in electrostatic equilibrium right now. Okay. Now at this particular points, let me take from the center. They are making same angles. This is theta. This is also theta. They are repelled from the mean position to the same angles. From the mean position, same angles. Now, if I take like this, fine. They are repelled from the center, same angles, theta and theta, right? Okay. Now, coming back to this one, theta and theta. Let me take this distance is x समझो. From the center to this distance is x by 2. From the center to this distance is x by 2, right? Okay. Just we are assuming L, this is theta and theta, this is an electrostatic equilibrium. Total is x by 2, x by 2. Now weight of it is acting downwards mg and tension is acting upward direction. Here also weight of it is acting downward direction mg, here tension is acting vertically upwards. Now which has to be resolved into components, mg or tension, bolo jaldi. Tension to be resolved or mg to be resolved into the components. Tension. So tension to be resolved into components, just draw a line. This is an opposite angles, this is nothing but a theta. So it can be resolved into two components. One is a t cos theta, the other is t sin theta in this direction. In this direction, t sin theta. So they are repelled by electrostatic force. So they are repelled by electrostatic force. This is nothing but electrostatic force. So if I draw a free body diagram, FBD, I'll take this is a charged body now. It's nothing but weight of it is mg, and here it is nothing but a t cos theta, here electrostatic force Fe, and here t sin theta, right? Mg balancing tension and t sin theta is pulling back and electrostatic force is pulling away from it. These two should be balanced, these two should be balanced. The net force acting on it should be 0, then it will be in electrostatic equilibrium. Net force should be 0, then electrostatic force, electrostatic equilibrium, net force. So here I can write this nothing but a k q square divided by x square. Between two charges distance is how much? X and this one. Is it clear till this point? All of you, any doubt till this point? जल्दी बोलिए, कुछ doubt है इसमें? Anybody? No doubts? Or you have any doubts? No sir. Shall I proceed? Just take a screenshot of this one, then I'll erase this diagram. That free body diagram will be there. Just take a screenshot. Done? हो गया? चलो, I'll erase this one. Erase the diagram. Now from this one more important point I would like to say. This triangle I'll take it outside. This is nothing but a theta. Here it is x by 2. This is nothing but L. See this triangle I took outside. Right? This is theta. This length is x by 2. This length is L. Fine? Okay? Now. Now let me write what are balancing. He is asking at equilibrium, angle is small. See, he has given very clearly angles are small, separated x is proportional to x, we want to how much it is proportional. So here t cos theta balances mg and t sin theta balances kq square by x square, kq square by x square. Or just divide both the equations. So this is an equation number 1, this is an equation number 2, dividing 2 divided by 1, right, divide 2 divided by 1. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta equal to kq square by x square into mg, am I right? Kq square by x square by m into g. Clear till this points, or any doubts? Just I divided at the electrostatic equilibrium. What we are doing? We are tan theta is equal to kq square by x square. Just dividing both the things, just balancing it. Next, tan theta from this triangle. Fine. So tan theta should be, when theta is small, then the tan theta is approximately equal to sin theta. Can I write this one? Mathematical approximation, do you know? Remaining girls. When theta is small, theta is equal to small, cos theta will becomes 1 because theta is tending to 0. Small means tending to 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. Sines theta should be equal to theta. Then the tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to sin theta or equal to theta. This is what mathematical approximation when theta is equal to small. When theta is equal to small, cos theta is what? Sin theta is theta, or tan theta is approximately sin theta, which is equal to theta. That means tan theta can be replaced by sin theta. Now I will take sin theta. Now sin theta equals to kq square by x square into m into g. But what is sin theta from this one? Sin theta can be opposite side by adjacent side. I can write the opposite side, x by 2 by L is equals to kq square by x square m into g. Just cross multiply it, x cube. So x cube is equals to 2L kq square divided by mg. Is it clear till this point? Any doubts? Just check it out all of you. सब लोग एक बार चेक करिए, कुछ डाउट है till this points? Anybody understood? Himala understood? So now what we have to do? Just yeah, done. So I'll erase this one, this parts. Proceeding from this one, x cube or x is proportional to, or x is equals to 2LKQ square divided by m into g to the power of 1 by 3. He is asking us proportional to. So x proportional to L to the power of 1 by 3 is what the answer. D is the correct answer. Those who got, congratulations. Those who not, just check it out. And if you are having any doubt, let me know.